Welcome to Exploration Unknown. Today we're traveling through Wyoming and Montana in places that are not Yellowstone. So kick back, grab a cup of coffee, and join us for the ride. Our first stop in this non-Yellowstone adventure is the Clark's Fork River, named after William Clark of the Lewis and Clark expedition, and is a habitat for grizzly bears, gray wolf, elk, deer, and other small animals.
We're on Chief Joseph Highway off of 120 out kind of like northwest of Cody, Wyoming. And there's a lot of history with the native people and the U.S. cavalry. And this is a commemorative byway for Chief Joseph, who was leading his people away from the U.S. cavalry. Trying to get his people down out of the mountains, down onto the plains where they could hook up with their allies, some other indigenous people.
Taking us to Beartooth, right?
Yeah, so this takes you to the Beartooth Scenic Highway, south of Red Lodge.
After the Battle of the Big Hole in Idaho, Chief Joseph and the 1,000 tribe members fled east through Yellowstone National Park, briefly capturing tourists along the way. Then they traveled north up the Clark's Fork River, crossing Sunlight Creek over the Sunlight Bridge and passing Dead Indian Pass, also known as Sunlight Gorge or Dead Indian Gorge. The tribe's goal was to reach Canada, but they were stopped only 30 miles away and eventually surrendered at the Battle of the Bear Paw in northeastern Montana after 6 days of fighting. Despite promises to allow them to return to their lands, the Nez Perce were forced onto reservations in Oklahoma and Washington. A little ways down the road, we decided to stop and get out and explore the canyon rim trailhead. There were some really cool views out there, and we were hoping to run into a grizzly. We didn't find a grizzly, but the views were spectacular once more. bad, but it couldn't hold back the majestic beauty of the mountains in the background.
Started out driving in Wyoming where they don't have no bears. And then we ended up in Montana,
Where they don't have no
where they don't have no bears neither. We've been trying to find a grizzly all damn day. They had a bit of luck trying to find one, but we have gotten to see some extremely beautiful views.
As you drive through the windy roads, it doesn't matter which direction you look. There are incredible mountains and valleys everywhere. Mother Nature gets an A+ here. Warnings for bears all over the place, even though we never got to see one.
We're in Montana, and the views here are just magnificent. I can't even say the word. They're outstanding. They're blowing me away. They're really cool, man. We got a bunch of smoke here coming down from the fires that are here in Montana, but it's still a view to behold, man. This is probably one of the most beautiful drives I've ever made.
I hope you enjoyed this trip through the Chief Joseph Byway as we discovered parts of Wyoming that aren't Yellowstone. If you did, make sure to click the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future epic journeys. And thanks for joining us on Exploration Unknown.